We're going to take a look inside Flipgrid, the platform Flipgrid. You will come into here and you'll come into this module. This is a great introduction video that you'll go through. So you'll just click on it and it's going to start and take you through everything that you need once you push play. And then you will look at the different parts of it, of why it's important. You can take a look inside, and that's what we're going to do in just a second. I'm going to take you inside, but I have assessment examples in here that'll be great for you to look at. So when you click on those, you'll be able to go through and see all different kinds of assessments that you can look at and mess around with. So like this is a science one, and you'll go in, and it's really a video. You'll just go in, push play, and go through it. And each one of those is a great example for you. So let me go back here. Okay. And so what I want to do is kind of take you on the inside of Flipgrid. So when you're looking at Flipgrid, I know you've experienced it as a student, but I want you to think of it as an educator. So you'll click this button and this is going to take you to flipgrid.com and you'll just do educator login. You go ahead and do that. And then you're going to sign yourself up. And it's free and it's easy, and you can put in there whatever grade level you think you're going to teach or whatever you're going to put in there. It doesn't really matter. That part doesn't. But once you get an educator login, you're going to come into a dashboard, and your dashboard has discussions, it has discovery, activity, mixtape, shorts, grid pals. I'm going to show you what some of those are. And then you have groups and you have topics. So as an educator, you have to build a group. And a group is like a classroom. So these are like different classrooms that I have put together. So if you're going to create a group, you would go to create group, name your group. I'm just going to name my group Happy. And then you can add permissions, anything that you're going to do inside of here. You can add stuff. I'm going to make it public. And most of the time I do, if you were working in a classroom, you'd use student email, student usernames. You might go through your Google Classroom to set that up. You look at all the different things, allow students to receive notifications, sure. And then always make sure that this is active and not hidden. If it's hidden, then your students can't see it. And then you're going to choose a background or, some kind of something that you might want inside of here. And then you're going to create group. Don't forget it has like nature, people, textures, just so that you know it's funky for everybody. And then you're going to create the group. Great. My group is already ready. So your classroom is ready like that. If you were going to share this classroom, you could just copy this. You could put it as a QR code. This is already going to generate one for you. You can make it as a Google Classroom. You could upload it very quickly into there. You would just click this. It's going to ask you what do you want it to go into? What classroom? Do you choose a classroom that you want it to go into? All those kinds of things. It's really, really simple. And that's how you would do that. There's a remind, a share, however you want. So now that we have this group, you want people to be able to have a topic card. And so you would be able to add a topic card. So you would go over here, add topic card. You can build one, but I'm also going to show you the discovery library so that you know that you don't just have to build one. You can actually take one that's built and then work around it. But if you were going to build your own, you would add your topic title here. You would add some instructions of what the students are supposed to do. You could add video instructions. So you can record yourself. You can add a GIF. You can add anything from in here that you want. You can also set a time limit. How long do you want them to have? This is something new that you want to look at. It says video topic moderations. This will be hidden from students. You want to turn that off. Make sure that you turn that off, because if not, it will be hidden and not active, and you'll have to go in and make everything active. So that's something new that they've put in that's automatic. You can choose if you want your people to comment, text, videos, different things, and then you would hit create topic, and that would create your topic for you. I'm going to go back into discussion and back into happy. So I want to show you an easy, simple way to get lessons from Flipgrid that are already built for you. And as a teacher, that's super, super important that you already have that done. So since we're talking about assessment, you can go into their discovery library. They have amazing things in here, like discoveries, things that are already going, trending topics that people are using today, partners that you can collaborate with. So if you get on here, you can collaborate with these people. You can collaborate with Yellowstone National Park. Go get stuff your kids can communicate with these different people. You can choose what subject, what project. It's already going to have cards made. That's an amazing, amazing thing. So I want you to see there's just all kinds of different topic cards already made in here. You can also go up here and we can write assessment. And then you can choose like what grade level or what you want it to be about. So let's do language arts and we'll say we want elementary school assessment. Here we go. So fluency assessment for fourth grade. Look at that. This is a topic that's already made. She, right, will do video instructions for you. So you can go in and you can add this topic to your group. So we're going to add it, or you can add it as an individual, or we can add it to a group. I'm going to go find happy, add it in there next. Go to my topics. Now this topic is available inside of here. And so we have this right here, and then we can go in and you can edit this. You can edit, you could change it to say what you want it to say. You can edit all of the different instructions in here. And then once you have that created and made the way that you want it to look, you would update the topic and boom, you have that there to share. So if you think about it, you could already have an assignment that, a technology assignment that you need for this assignment that you're doing in assessment. You can go find that super easy inside here. So the Discovery Library is your friend. Activity is just like how much activity you've had on here, how many people have viewed your different videos, how many total responses you've had. Mixtapes are a really cool thing. If you have people that come in, let's say I did student feedback and I wanted these students to be in my feedback, I could go in to their video like this. So pause. And you can, well, this is already in there. You can go into a video and you can click mixtape. It's like would be over here in action, like make it into a mixtape. And then it will collect all the videos that you want in a mixtape. And then whenever you are looking at this, so if I wanted to come in here and look at this, all these video responses are in here like this. So that's kind of the look of a mixtape and how a mixtape will look. So it's fairly simple to do. It would be after you had people respond to a topic card. That's what you would go in and put in. Let me go back in here real quick. So let's go into, we'll do happy. So shorts are video instructions that you can make that are super easy to make. You can go in, you just record a short video. You can give instructions. It allows you to put decorative filters on, make it look really cool. And then these can be your video instructions. So you can use your video instructions from here. And then you can add titles, and then it's real simple to add them into your video topic cards. So you can do that as well. Grid Pals is just amazing. I watched a school in Texas do a Flipgrid with, they were doing word problems, teaching assessment through word problems. And they linked with a school in London through Grid Pals. And so what this is you can do any grade, subject, search for Grid Pals all over the world. It can be United States, it could be Switzerland, it can be anywhere in the world. And you click through social media, you can grab a person and you can connect with them. And then your classes can connect with them across the world using Flipgrid. So y'all would make a topic card together, and then your classes would teach each other through that topic card. This is an amazing feature to take assessment from inside your classroom and break outside the border walls of your classroom, your school, your state, and you're able to let students learn from someone all the way across the world if you wanted to. So this is an incredible feature to bring into your classroom. So I feel like this is just so valuable to assessment. So Flipgrid is amazing. Take time to go through. If you are going to use that, use Flipgrid. You can share them very easily. So let's say you did make your topic card and you needed to share that topic card with your class. You would just click share, copy, go put that link wherever you need to inside your assignment that your teacher wants you to put together and that your professor has for you in this assessment assignment. So that is Flipgrid kind of in a nutshell. And I hope that you really take the time to go through all of here and look at the assessment examples that are in here. The teacher features, integration docs are an amazing feature that we have set up in here. You can go in and you can look at integration docs for anything that's been put together for all different kinds, for world languages, for physical education, for art, any of that. And then you just come right over here. These are already becoming a vegan. What's for breakfast? My teeth. I mean, you can go into these, and these are topic cards already created for you at those certain they're already created. So you can add your topic, share it, go in there and edit it and make it look the way that you want. And so those are integrated docs of things that are already done. So take your time going through here and learning about Flipgrid. I think you'll really enjoy it and you're going to learn a lot. Have a great time.